From Trump's Venezuela oil claims to Tesla losing its EV crown, this is the week in numbers. Up to $2 billion worth of Venezuelan crude could be sent to US ports. That was the deal reached between Washington and Caracas, according to President Donald Trump. He said up to 50 million barrels of sanctioned Venezuelan oil could be turned over to the US and sold at market prices. The move came after US forces captured Venezuela's President Nicolas Maduro during a weekend raid. Over 8% was the drop in full-year sales for Tesla. It saw Elon Musk's firm lose its title as the top electric vehicle seller last year. China's BYD zoomed past Tesla into the #1 spot. Tesla has faced growing competition, the end of US tax credits, and blowback against Musk's political moves. Almost 15% was the jump in Hyundai's share price. Investors bought in on market speculation the South Korean automaker could form closer ties with Nvidia. Hyundai chair Hui-Sin Chung and Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang spoke at the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas. Hyundai's Boston Dynamics also caused buzz at the event when it debuted its humanoid robot Atlas. The carmaker has announced plans to deploy the robots in its factories in a few years. $13.8 billion was Samsung's projected operating profit for the October to December quarter. That was well beyond analyst estimates for the world's largest memory chip maker. It would mark a threefold jump in profit from a year earlier. Samsung scored big as chip prices rocketed on huge demand, largely driven by AI. And just over $4.1 billion was the new yearly operating profit target for fashion giant Fast Retailing. The Uniqlo owner raised it from a previous $3.8 billion. The Japanese firm also reported its latest profit easily beat analyst expectations. It surged by a third during the September to November period to $1.3 billion, with revenue up 15%.